Welcome back to the 1 week challenge. So this is week 1 of the next 8 weeks. We are going to be making over Charlotte's room. It is, Mummy, that's right. And so let's kick it off because I'm going to talk to the little lady herself about what she wants to see in her room. Let's go meet her. Hi, Charlotte. Say hi.
Hi.
Now, you're sitting in your new room. What would you like to see in here? What colour would you like it to be?
Pink.
Pink. Okay, and what would you like? Would you like some bunnies? What about some flowers? What colour flowers?
Pink.
Pink? What else? What other colours?
Yellow.
Yellow? Any other colours?
Pink. That one I do watch.
What about purple? Would you like to see some?
Purple.
Would you like to see some purple? And what else? Where do you think your bed's gonna go?
Right up there with the wall.
You want your bed to go there by the wall?
Yeah.
And whereabouts is your wardrobe?
There.
There?
Yeah.
And what should we put in your wardrobe? So Mummy's gonna paint it. What colour? What colour would you like your wardrobe?
Pink.
Pink, okay. And then I'm thinking we might paint some bunny rabbits. Would you like some?
Paint some bunny rabbits or black.
Black bunny rabbits? What? You don't want pink ones?
Pink ones.
Dark pink ones.
Dark.
We could do the walls a light pink and the bunny rabbits a dark pink.
So Mommy, I'm going with my office.
Okay.
So my bake.
Okay. And do you think the fairies might like to come in and visit you here?
Yeah.
So should we build something for the fairies? What should we build?
Tower.
A fairy tower?
Yeah.
Wow, what colour should that be?
Pink.
Pink.
Yeah, my yes.
Like your dress. And then should we have a nice little rug in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, what colour should the rug be?
Pink.
That's a lot of pink. And would you like a little mirror in here?
Yeah.
Yeah? And where would you like to put all your clothes? Do you want to hang them and do you want to put them in drawer up there?
Yeah.
Okay. So should Mummy and Daddy build that for you? Okay, and so do you think you might like some drawers to put some clothes in? And what about your dresses? Should we hang your dresses? Yeah? Okay. And where should your toys go?
There.
You want your toys to go in the cupboard as well?
Yeah.
Okay. And would you like to have somewhere to sit in your room to have some lunch and some morning tea? You would? You think you might like a little table and some chairs? And would you like a round table and chairs or a square table and chairs?
I want pink sandals.
You want pink sandals? What are they for?
They for my...
For your totos. Okay. And what do you think? Oh, you got sand on your totos. What colour would you like your table and chairs to be?
Pink.
Okay, so we're gonna go with a colour scheme that is, what colours?
Pink.
Pink,
Green.
green, okay, we can add some green in, and
Pink.
pink, okay, I think we've got 2 different pinks. We're gonna have some green, and I think we'll have some white.
I want yellow.
And yellow, ooh, now I hadn't factored any yellow in, so I'll have to have a think about that one. And we need to have a home for our fairies. And we
Mommy, I'm going for my lunch break.
Okay, you go for your lunch break then. Off you go. Thanks for coming. Thanks for your help.
Okay.
So I've just had my design consultation with my client, Charlotte, and we have worked through the design for her room. So super excited to put that all together. So I'm going to share with you the design now, and then we're going to get cracking over the next couple of weeks and get this room looking beautiful as it can be for the final week, which is actually going to be Charlotte's 3rd birthday. So we're super excited for a reveal date of her 3rd birthday. So stay tuned for that. Otherwise, we'll see you next week, guys. Enjoy the design.